Welcome to the new normal, where almost everything starts and flourishes within the four walls of a home, giving us enough room to learn new skills, find prospects in the unknown, connect in unfamiliar ways. And all thanks to the technology and network revolution, for making the transition smooth and possible. But, while the world has become completely dependent on networks, like fiber, broadband, or 5G, telecom service providers and ISP are facing unwavering pressure to provide high-speed connectivity and a seamless integrated and convenient service experience. Hence, NetworkAccess, a single cloud-based platform from the house of Lepton. NetworkAccess Fiber Geo Suite allows you to fully digitalize your order-to-cash and fault-to-repair cycles, to take 100% control of your fiber networks. Extending its advantages, struggle no more with legacy map data, as-built drawings and Excel sheets to manage your fiber network. Get full visibility and control on your network by creating a digital twin and maintaining latest up-to-date network information at your fingertips. Leave out no details, model your full outside plant, inside plant networks as well as end-to-end connectivity details till your customer premises. You can use the most intuitive tools provided by NetworkAccess to create the network in an error-free manner. Do the automatic planning in the most effective way to expand your networks. Also, you can create accurate bill of materials to estimate the cost of rolling out your new network, and assess the materials required. Step ahead, empower and keep your field teams updated with an all-in-one integrated mobile app to perform all kinds of field tasks, like surveys, capturing data, customer activations or as-built updates. Furthermore, with NetworkAccess, you can improve operations and service levels by significantly reducing repair and resolve time. Its integrated fiber cut management locates the fault and mobilize the field crew for a faster action at the exact spot of fault. Additionally, operate better and sell faster with NetworkAccess service qualification, helping you increase your revenues and network utilization by accurately performing the feasibility for network connection requests or site fiberization requests. Lead with the most cost-effective way to connect your customers and provide proposals quickly. Fuse with diverse benefits across brands. Lepton has helped its customers across the globe digitalize their fiber management with NetworkAccess Fiber Geo Suite. Do you want to know how we can help you do the same? Talk to us now.